In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Calendly to your Shopify store without editing code. If you want to offer bookings or scheduling directly from your storefront, but don't want to touch any theme files or code, a third-party app from the Shopify App Store is a simple solution. There are apps designed specifically to create pop-up or embedded appointment buttons that connect to external scheduling tools, and they handle all the technical parts for you. One example is Calendly, which is built to create customizable pop-up buttons and requires no coding to set up. To get started, open the Shopify App Store from your admin and search for an app that supports Calendly links or universal booking links. When you find an app like Calendly, install it into your store. The installation process is usually straightforward and handled through Shopify, so you'll grant the app the permissions it needs and add it to your store in a few clicks. Once the app is installed, open it and follow the in-app instructions. These apps typically guide you through selecting the type of button or pop-up you want, choosing where it should appear on your site, and adjusting basic styling like color and text. Because the app abstracts the code, you can make these choices through a visual interface. When an instruction asks for your Calendly URL, paste the link for the calendar or event you want customers to book. If you're unsure where to get that link, go to your Calendly account and copy the public event or scheduling page URL. This is the address you'll paste into the app when prompted. After you paste the Calendly link, continue following the app's prompts to finish the setup. The app will usually provide a preview so you can see how the pop-up button will look and behave. Save your settings and publish or enable the widget according to the app's workflow. A few quick tips as you go. Choose an app with good reviews and recent updates so it stays compatible with Shopify. Make your button copy clear and action-oriented so visitors know they're scheduling a meeting. Finally, double-check the Calendly link before you save to make sure it points to the correct event or booking page. Using a no-code app like Calendly is an efficient way to integrate Calendly into your store without touching theme files, and it keeps the process accessible even if you don't have development experience. Follow the app's setup instructions, add your Calendly link where prompted, and you'll have scheduling available on your site in no time.